In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the driver's side wiper blade on a Toyota RAV4. So I take the wiper arm and I raised it up so you can reach to it easier. And on this particular style, it's just a pull and it comes right off. And this wiper blade is the hook style. See the hook? Now I will lower this down while I'm preparing my wiper blade. If you leave it up, it's spring-loaded. There's a chance you hit it, and if that comes down, it'll crack the windshield. So we'll discard the old wiper blade. New wiper blade already has the hook style in it, and this is a protective coating for the rubber. Just going to slide that right off. Grab the arm, slide that hook right in till it clicks. Then lower it down on the glass. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.